Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix direct message not available on TikTok. So guys, let's start up without wasting any time. First of all guys, if you notice that direct message is not showing for you, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to make sure that you don't have any pending update. If you have, just simply have to update your app, and after that hopefully you can get this feature. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to make sure that you are over 16. If you are not over 16, then you cannot get this feature. If you are over 16 and still it's not showing for you guys, then you have to tap on three lines and tap on setting and privacy. Let me tell you that you have to tell the TikTok team that you are over 16 and you still don't have direct message option. So from here you have to tap on direct message and just simply you have to wait some second. So firstly let me tell you that you have to take a screenshot of your profile, tap on direct message. So wait some second and tap on no, tap on need more help. Now from here guys, what you need to do, just simply you have to tap on this icon and it will redirect to your gallery. Then you have to select that screenshot which you have taken recently, and here you have to write this one. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. Just simply tap on submit, and after that your request will be submitted and TikTok team will contact with you within 48 hours, and hopefully they will give you this option as soon as possible. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.